Hi guys, I was gifted this car touchscreen multimedia center. It's used to upgrade an older car that doesn't have a display, and it makes them have a display where you can use that Apple CarPlay or that Android Auto hookup. And so it's really easy. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. It'll transform your old vehicle. So this is what the display looks like. It does have a camera on the back for a dash camera. The mount just goes right on here. It has your power here, audio video in, your SD card, and your auxiliary mount here. And let's see what else is in the box. So we do have your mount here with your sticky to mount on the dash. It has your backup camera, so you can record everything behind you or use the backup camera. This is the charger for it. They give you a second sticky, just in case you want to put this on like a second car, move it from car to car later. It comes with an audio jack too. It also comes with a 64 gigabit SD card, so that's nice. For that dash camera. We're gonna go ahead and mount it up here on the dash and transform this older car, so then it has so then it'll be updated with the touchscreen. All right guys, we got it all mounted up here. We have it set up for our Apple CarPlay, and you can see we got the maps going here, the music over there, and some written map right there. It was really easy to set up. You can use the aux out if you have an auxiliary port in your car, or if you have Bluetooth in your car, you can connect it that way. So like I said, it was very easy to set up and looks great. It turns this older car stereo into more of a modern one. So if you guys are in the market for a car dash display unit like this one, go ahead and get this one. You're gonna love it. Thanks.